How to copy a link on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy a link on TikTok. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application on your phone. Second thing, now I'm playing videos. If I like some video and it's impossible to share this video, so what I'm gonna do is copy the link and share the link. How to copy the link? You're gonna go here and you're gonna find an options which is copy link. It's the option number 4. Tap on there and the link has copied, and you can share the link right now. So this is our video. Hope it was helpful and it helped you. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.